What's up everybody? In today's video I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency that you choose using Apple Pay. So guys, in today's method we are going to show you how to safely and securely buy cryptocurrency using Apple Pay. So make sure to follow our steps directly step by step so you don't make a mistake in the process. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is go to this website right here, paxful.com. You will be greeted by the main page. On the main page here in the upper right corner there will be a register button. You will have to use this option to register an account. Just follow the steps, enter your email, password and the other information that is needed and you will be able to register your account. As you can see here, I already did that. Then after you have registered your account and verified your mobile phone number, you are ready to start buying cryptocurrency. So guys, after going to paxful.com, after registering account, this will be the main page that greets you, the user dashboard. Here in the upper left corner you will see an option called buy. This is the option that we want to choose. So here, click on buy here. As you can see, we are now greeted by this page that enables us to buy Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin is already selected. If Bitcoin is not selected, you will have to click on this option. Just select Bitcoin from the options. Under this option, there is a pay via option. This is the option that will enable us to buy using Apple Pay. Clicking on here, you can see we can now search for the option that we need. Typing in Apple, you can see that there is an Apple Pay option right here which you will want to click. Now we have selected that we are buying using Apple Pay. Here on the I want to spend amount, you will enter the amount you want to spend to buy Bitcoin. Let's say that we are buying $15 worth of Bitcoin. You also select here your currency that you are using. We will say US dollar, and now we are ready to start buying. Click on the find offers button down here, the blue find offers, and this will list all the options that are available to you guys. As you can see here guys, there are some sellers that require you to verify your ID to buy cryptocurrency from them. This is a good thing. This means that they are not going to scam you and that they have a lot of positive reviews and everything is going to be safe and secure. To verify your ID, just select the verify ID option that is being offered to you, and this will take you to this page. So after selecting your country, you will select the ID type you want to use to verify yourself. Let's say that I'm going to use something as an ID card, driving license or passport. You can choose which one you want and you can start the verification process. After you have started the verification process, you will need to take a picture of your ID, but don't worry guys, this is perfectly safe. Paxful is not going to do anything harmful with your info. This is only to verify your identity so the seller can also be safe that you're not going to scam them. So guys, after you have done that, all the offers will be open up to you to buy them. So guys, because I haven't done that, let's find another seller that doesn't require verifying your ID, and that is let's say this offer. You will need to click on the blue buy option that is on the right side of the screen. Here we can now see what happens. We are greeted with this page. This page will enable us to enter how much we want to spend and will show us how much we are getting for that money. So guys, as you can see, I have entered that I want to spend $15 US, and this is offering me to get 0.00056 Bitcoin for that amount. Maybe guys, this isn't the best offer. This person does take a lot of the money for himself, a big take. As you can see, this is 38% above market value. So you guys will have to go through the offers and find the best seller that has the best rate that you are looking for. So guys, after you have done this and you have selected how much you want to buy, you will click buy now. Don't worry guys, this isn't immediate. This will take you to the next page. This shows you how you can buy this. This will always follow the instructions that are set here. As you can see, you will have to use Apple Pay to send $15 to this seller. After you have sent money, you will have to wait for them to verify you that you have to send them a payment, and then they will transfer the funds to your paxful.com wallet. You will be able to find the funds on your wallet balance option right here. So guys, after you have done that, that is it. That's the final deal. You can buy Bitcoin. If you want for some reason to cancel the trade, if you have not sent money of course, then you will just go to the left side of the screen and click on the cancel trade button, confirming you haven't sent money and canceling the trade. So guys, list through the offers, find the best one, find the best rate, and you will be satisfied with the outcome that you're getting for your money. So guys, thank you for watching and take care.